Smooth shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about this gorgeous wig on my head from HairViVi. If you don't know about HairViVi, then you guys need to get to know. If you're a first time wig wearer, you don't know how to bleach your knots, you don't know how to pluck, you don't know how to style, everything is pretty much done for you with this hair company. So thank you so much to HairViVi for sponsoring this video. They have come through with this gorgeous highlighted curtain bang wig. This is my first time trying curtain bangs and I think it's giving. Tell me what you think, but I think it's giving. All the info for the hair will of course, as usual, be in the description box, so make sure you click that show more button to learn more about the hair. I'm gonna stop yabbing. I'm gonna show you how I got this end result. Very minimal work. Make sure you stay till the end to see how I did it. So I received this gorgeous wig from HairViVi. Pre-made wig with highlights, and this is HD lace with a pre-made cap inside. It also has an elastic band and combs in the wig as well, so you can wear it glueless. So the wig actually comes with a pre-made wig cap underneath, so you don't have to wear a wig cap when you're wearing this wig. Everything is pretty much done for you. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything is set to go. However, I feel like the cap underneath is a little bit too light. I just tried it on and it's a bit light, so I'm just gonna take off this cap as well as take off the cap that comes in the wig. So I've just put the wig back on and it looks a lot better without the pre-made wig cap underneath. I feel like my own hairline makes it look a lot more natural. If you are lighter skin tone or your skin does match to that wig cap, then it's perfect for you because you don't have to wear a wig cap underneath. I do need to cut off the ear tabs. I'm gonna do the same on this side. So now I'm actually gonna get some mousse and put it along my hairline. I'm just gonna clean off the makeup on my hairline a little bit. And I'm gonna get my Care mousse. I'm just gonna put that on the hairline. I'm just gonna comb that through. Now I'm gonna get this elastic band and I'm gonna put that on the hairline and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now that band is on, I'm just gonna get my blow dryer and just blow around the area for about 10 minutes straight and hope for the best. You know what, guys? I don't think me doing this glueless thing is gonna work. So I'm just gonna do what I think works best. So I'm getting my ORS Super Hold Spray. Looks like this. I'm just gonna put that in the middle. That side is definitely on and stuck, and I feel like this ORS is actually really good. So far, it's really holding it down really well. Like, it's solid, it doesn't require much work. Okay guys, so I feel like that's on and stuck, so I'm gonna cut off the lace. I'm gonna use some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna sort this out. Just gonna cut off these little scraggly bits of lace. Okay, I think that looks kind of alright. Just gonna get my spray. I'm just gonna solidify what I've just done. Now that I've done that, I'm just gonna fix my hairline with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. Just gonna put that around my hairline. We can finally start to style the hair. First of all, I love the highlights here. They did their damn thing with the highlights. The highlights look so cute. And I can't wait to style these curtain bangs. I'm gonna make them look cute. So I'm just gonna straighten and bump the ends, and I'm also gonna bump the ends of my curtain bangs. I'm gonna start with the hot comb. I'm gonna get my argan oil. I'm just gonna lay that down with my argan oil to give it a bit of shine. I'm gonna bump the end of this a little bit. The curtain bangs are actually really cute. I've seen quite a few people do this style and I actually really like it. This is the outcome. This is what we have. I tried my best. I think it's cute for the most part. I do like the bangs, although they are frustrating me a little bit because I truly don't know what to do with them. Guys, I freaking love this wig. It's cute, it's giving. I really love styling it. I loved working with it. It was really easy. Everything was pre-plucked, pre-done, pre-bleached. Combs already installed, wig already laid. All you have to do is put it on your head, glue it and style it. Shout out to HairViVi for this stunning wig. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something. And if you do like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment. I'll have all the details for this wig in the description box as usual, so make sure you click that show more button. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Smooth shit.